So we had these grand plans to keep the original framework, but when your builder tells you that the framework is not going to hold up the new house, you've got to listen to him.
I think it'd be a whole different experience for us if we actually had have moved somewhere and not been here every day.
Easier than I thought it was going to be living in that little cottage. Hasn't been hard.
No, it hasn't.
And I was expecting to be divorced by now, but yeah, things are going okay.
The entry of my house is going to be via a glass box. So you'll come in through the doors and you'll walk straight into the entrance. To the left-hand side will be a mudroom, and then you walk straight through into the main formal living area, which no one's allowed to touch, and then move straight onto the kitchen and a pretty huge island bench, which is going to be amazing. And you'll see from the front door straight out to the pool area. And because the house is pretty much designed around entertaining, I have a Butlers pantry, which is going to be fantastic.
The kitchen is so huge, high ceilings, big floor plan, that I felt like it could handle having a huge, big, long island bench. It's about 5.5 metres. Erin, you stand at one end. That dot.
I am.
To this dot
The kitchen island.
is the kitchen island.
Lana, go be the other edge.
Oh, on the other end of the
Hang
island.
on, let's put this piece of the puzzle together.
Yeah, and Ronnie just, you're there, Ronnie? Yeah, you can't see Ronnie. I can't see you, Ron.
I'm here!
I don't think an island bench can ever be too big. I must say, looking at the floor plan at the moment, Bonds looks excessive.
But it needs to be that big because it's got so much white space around it, so much air. It needs to be grand. It's going to look amazing.
Oh no, you can't do like a dish drawer and a blah 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 and
Why not? Why not?
because there won't be enough space left.
Well, how does Gwyneth Paltrow do it?
Yeah, that's
Second.
just couldn't
I'm
call
leaving right now.
Gwen, how did you do your island bench?
So the inspiration behind the kitchen has come from a picture that I've seen of Gwyneth Paltrow's home. Her kitchen has this beautiful thick apron stone kind of going around on the bench tops and on the island itself. Have you ever seen Gwyneth Paltrow's kitchen? See that?
Oh, I see.
Do you get where I'm coming
Yes, I
from
do.
now? So
Oh,
I
that's
want to
beautiful.
see
Oh
the
my God, so just a really solid island of stone.
of stone.
Because I'm doing it really thick, the stone, I wanted it to have a punch all around the sides of it.
So the one I was thinking, I do instantly go towards that as well.
You do.
The one that I was also thinking of is this
Oh
one here.
yeah, the Statuario Maximus.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God. Is this a cathedral or a house? Do you love it?
I absolutely just love it. It's everything that I envisioned.
This is the anchor of the whole house. I mean, for me, it's just the ideal entrance to a home.
Mom, like just at me, Mom. I'm struggling with the baby in our room, like really struggling.
The 6 o'clock, 10 to 6 he's been
Because
getting
we've
up
never
late.
had a child who's woken up at 6 o'clock ever.
I know little Dodgy wakes her up early in the morning, but like, again, welcome to most people's worlds, Bonnie. Baby in the room. You know, you chose to have the 4th baby. I chose to get a bird.
You walk through the glass atrium and it's got a flat roof, and then you walk into,
Oh my God, I'm just seeing the roof. This room is my favourite in Bonnie's house. With the cathedral ceilings and this island bench, I feel like it's a church and the island is the altar.
yeah, to be honest with you, I had a bit of a freak out when I walked in. Can you see why or not?
Too dark?
Yeah.
It's going to be fine, and this is what you told me, but I believe it and I've seen it happen. Once you paint this out white, once light flooring goes in, with that big glass, that makes that a feature, but it's scary when the roof goes on.
Yeah.
Because you've been living topless.
Yeah, you have been.
And I know you like being topless.
I do.
It's very carefree.
Yeah. So you can see they've framed out this whole kitchen area. So these are the double doors that go out,
Yeah.
matching on the other side. So it's all centred.
Yeah, it's all symmetrical.
And then this is a bench top here.
Yeah.
servery on the other side, and these are bifold windows.
Bifolds. And you're so close to the pool.
Well, that's
And
what
you
I
could
did.
throw stuff at the kids. You could throw them a Zupa Duper in summer and just peg it at them.
So all the rafters are now going in. It's just all coming to life at the moment, and it's pretty damn exciting.
Those ceilings are so high. Peachy's team had to get up on like a cherry picker to paint them. They're very nimble on their feet, painters.
Pretty much the whole house has just been screed. It's insane. Come and have a look at little Bubby's footsteps. So look, little dodgeball ran through the house when it wasn't dry. Isn't it gorgeous? Mahaley, oh my gosh, you have made my day. The chevron.
It's amazing,
Oh, isn't it gorgeous? So the reason I love woodcut flooring is they've got the options of the different sizes. So I wanted to make a real statement in the entrance. So I went with a chevron because I just wanted to feel like a bit more of a modern barn. And then the back of the house, I went with that just traditional lay, so just straight board, straight through the house.
So it's kitchen week, always a massive moment in our renos. What you see here is we're surrounded by all the cabinetry, and the guys from Carrera by Design are expert at it. And it's their job today to fit together this jigsaw puzzle, millimetre perfect.
And so this is the bench top here,
Yeah.
and that's the cooktop. This is where you cook. The rest of the kitchen sits in line with that point there. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So see, so you can see it here. So it's like a feature that
I
comes
know,
out.
I just don't know how you thought of that.
Well, I sit on the internet for hours at night.
Let me ask, did
And-
Gwyneth Paltrow do this?
Gwenny didn't do this.
Gwenny didn't do
No,
this.
Gwenny
She
didn't
might
do this.
now.
Oh my God!
Oh, what?
This is the Butlers. Wow, it actually feels like a house.
Oh, I love this.
I know, isn't it gorgeous?
So it's really nice when you walk into Bonnie's house that you're going to see the lounge room first up. And I think it would be lovely when you arrive, you can just sit there and wait for the party to unfold.
Oh my God!
This is the Caesar stone. This is it. Statuario Maximus. Oh, I can't wait to see it go up the back
Far
wall there.
out, it looks friggin' amazing. I love it. So is it what you thought it was going to be on the plans?
It's a lot bigger than I thought was on the plans.
Because everyone bungs on about soft clothes and all the rest
Yes.
of it. What are these?
Okay, so there's a lot of brands of soft clothes and hardware and all that sort of stuff, but we love to use headache.
Is there lots of things that you've never done before when you come and have a talk to me?
We do a lot of things that we normally wouldn't do or haven't done or would do, so yeah.
You want the front entrance of a house to have wow factor, and Bonnie's house has that in spades.
It does have that really coastal feel as soon as you walk in, because you can see the big beams, you can see all the, the sky on cladding on the ceiling, the colour, white. I mean, white is so coastal. And then I think just the colour tones throughout with the styling.
Okay, so before we know where it goes, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know.
But it looks pretty. Let's try this out. So, the Carrera by Design cabinetry has integrated the oven. That is amazing. Oh, there's more.
And there's more.
Oh, is that the Fisher & Paykel microwave
Yeah,
combi oven? Oh, just like mine.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I know.
It's the new Fisher & Paykel single door integrated. What else have we got? Oh yeah.
Oh, dishwasher. Gotta be. Oh my God. You know, if this wasn't all enough, there's the butler's kitchen.
So this all looks beautiful, but where's your things that you're like, where's like practical
Like, how do I
things?
make toast? La da 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 da.
Gorgeous.
Toaster kettle.
Toaster kettle.
And were you wondering if there was a fridge in here?
Oh my gosh, you can't tell because of the
Handles.
yeah.
Isn't it just seamless?
Real? Fake. Yes.
Or we like to say faux.
Yeah, it's faux.
Faux. Okay, done.
The wow factor of that space is the sheer scale of it. You walk into this tight little box and then it just goes, ah, and I just love it.
Hey Bon, newsflash, it's not that smaller box that you walk into, okay? It's a really large entrance.
I like the glass box because you guys have the privacy to have it. So no one's ever going to see in, so you know, all that privacy. But when you know you've got it, then flaunt it. Then have glass everywhere.
I think it's really interesting that you put a lounge room right in the front door.
So the good room lounge.
It is very unusual.
Yeah.
Isn't that an unusual setup?
Oh, look, not to me.
I love it, and I do love how when you come in, you can just see right through to the back.
Yeah, the view, and it's just framed by those beautiful wide line windows. It's like art. But having that cabinetry quite subtle, and then having that frame punch out at you, and then having the apron the whole way around the island, it's just all you needed.
Yeah, I mean, I think your island's a bit small.
Yeah.
So one thing I would have probably changed, the chandelier above that island bench is like a floating cloud.
I think my favourite thing in the kitchen is that it looks like a piece of furniture and everything is integrated. Love it.
My favourite, I think, is the servery at the end. So you know, you've got your traditional wall cabinetry, then your island, and then that extra servery where we look out at the pool.
We love a servery.
Yeah.
Because I really do see my kitchen as a piece of furniture, well, the Butler's kitchen is actually the kitchen.
Yes.
But I still needed it to be beautiful, and I think it still is. Like, I think the key to that Butler's kitchen, which was the winner, and I'm so glad I came up with it, was just the doors, the internal
entry.
glass entry doors.
Yeah,
Because it just
definitely.
gives it such beautiful detail when you walk in. So does the mudroom get the tick of approval from you?
You know I love a mudroom, and I'm so happy that you put one in.
Yes.
I look forward to seeing how functional it is. It looks beautiful. I just want you to use your mudroom. So what are you going to use this mudroom for near the front door?
Well, this is school bags. Oh, look, I think the thing I will look forward to most is having it completely open. The whole family, all in the one space. It's going to be nice. I want the master suite to be a completely separate wing of the home.
I have no say in this build whatsoever.
Oh my God. Good job. Oh my God, Bonnie. Oh yeah. Oh.
It's pretty big.
You're weird, but I love it, and it's going to look amazing.
Oh, we need to get that looked at.